Kids learning English. The food is ready.
The food is ready.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Turn on the lights.
Turn on the lights.
Turn off the fan.
Turn off the fan.
Please clean your room.
Please clean your room.
I'm watching TV.
Please clean your room.
I'm watching TV.
I'm watching TV.
The remote is missing.
The remote is missing.
Let's eat dinner.
Let's eat dinner.
I'm tired today.
I'm tired today.
I have homework.
I have homework.
I forgot my notebook.
I forgot my notebook.
The teacher is absent.
The teacher is absent.
Let's study together.
Let's study together.
I passed the test.
I passed the test.
I have an exam tomorrow.
I have an exam tomorrow.
The class was fun.
The class was fun.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
It's too expensive.
It's too expensive.
I like this one.
I like this one.
I'm just looking.
I'm just looking.
I need a bag.
I need a bag.
Turn left.
Turn left.
I'm full.
I'm full.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Let's eat something.
Let's eat something.
I don't like spicy food.
I don't like spicy food.
This tastes good.
This tastes good.
I'm cooking dinner.
I'm cooking dinner.
I'm happy today.
I'm happy today.
I feel sad.
I feel sad.
I'm very excited.
I'm very excited.
I'm nervous.
I'm nervous.
I'm angry right now.
I'm angry right now.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
I'm just bored.
I'm just bored.
I feel relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
I'm busy this weekend.
I'm busy this weekend.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Call me when you're free.
Call me when you're free.
Let's go shopping.
Let's go shopping.
See you soon.
See you soon.
I have to go now.
I have to go now.
Just wait a minute.
Just wait a minute.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
That's not fair.
That's not fair.
It's time to go.
It's time to go.
That's right.
That's right.
That's interesting.
That's interesting.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
I need to wash my hands.
I need to wash my hands.
The water is too hot.
The water is too hot.
I need a towel.
I need a towel.
The shower is not working.
The shower is not working.
The bathroom is occupied.
The bathroom is occupied.
I'll be out in a minute.
I'll be out in a minute.
Please clean the bathroom.
Please clean the bathroom.
I have a meeting today.
I have a meeting today.
I'm busy right now.
I'm busy right now.
I'm working on a project.
I'm working on a project.
Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
I'm done for the day.
It's time to go home.
I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. I'm very sleepy. I'm very sleepy. Don't forget to lock the door. Don't forget to lock the door. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Don't forget to lock the door. Thanks. Keep watching more of my videos.